Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. How you doing today? I'm doing a final drive around Quartzsite. I did a video a couple weeks ago and I said Quartzsite is closed. Well, apparently some people mistook that. I was talking about showgrounds and a few RV parks. Anyway, I'm going to show what's open around Quartzsite. Okay, we're heading west on Kewen. We'll just do a big loop right around town. Quartzsite is really a truck stop town. It's right along Interstate 10. There's two exits, 17 and 19. Majority of the business is truckers and tourists. Or travelers, I guess, not tourists. Okay, right here on the left is Rose's RV Park. Big sign there says open all year. How about that? Open year round. So if you need a place when it's 120 in the shade, stop here at Rose's on Kewen. And I'll put links in the description. Quartzsite Area Chamber of Commerce, 928-927-5200. Call them. They will tell you anything and everything you want to know about Quartzsite and what is open during the summer. Okay, we're going to be making a left up here on Riggles. We're going to go like in a big square all the way around town. So we started on Kewen here. We'll make a left. And then we're going to cross over Interstate 10. The big steeple right there, that's the Mormon church. And you might want to try calling the Chamber of Commerce or the Mormon church to see if they're open in the summer. I have no clue. Maybe they are. Okay, we're heading down Riggles. This would actually be north. Picture perfect weather, mid-80s. Might hit 90 next week, they said. Today is Saturday, April 13th. Lucky 13. Okay, this is exit 19. We're crossing over Interstate 10. It's a main artery that goes into Southern Cal and Phoenix. Tremendous amount of truck traffic and traffic. That's why a lot of trucks stop here. Okay, on the right there is a gas station. It's a Chevron. I'm going to go up here a little ways and I'll show you where the Arco is. So please remember there are two gas stations at this exit. Exit 19. Here's the Arco coming up. Man, gas is getting right back up there. Almost $3 a gallon. Huh. Okay, here's the Arco. They got 24-hour little mini store. These guys are open year round. Okay, we're going to go back up and we're going to head on down Main Street. Okay, going to make a left back here in Riggles. Don't forget, contact the Chamber of Commerce, 928-927-5200. They'll give you information on what is open all year long if you want to come here in the summertime when it's 120 in the shade. We're going to make a right up here. Okay, remember, two gas stations down here, open year round at exit 19. Let these cars go a second. When this van conversion I did, adding more room to it, that was great, that last video. Okay, you can see RV dealers are gone. The ones on the left are hauling them trailers out. Done deal. Okay, we are heading east on Main Street. We're going to head towards downtown Quartzsite. Okay, as for restaurants, that one there on the right, I believe, is closed. There are a few that are open year-round. We will try to find them, or once again, call the Chamber of Commerce, 928-927-5200. Alrighty, there's storage units on the left, and this big empty building's been vacant for years. They went belly up, that was Beals. Okay, that park car on the left said open year round. They have propane. There's a dollar store. This Coyote place, that's a grocery store. My hat's off to them, they're gonna stay open, and they employ locals. I believe Crawford's there on the left. They might stay open. I don't know. Check with the chamber. Here's another gas station. There's another Chevron. They are open year round. And up here on the right is another grocery store. They're open year round. On the left is that laundry, whatever they call it. I don't know what he does. Call the chamber. 928-927-5200. Find out his hours. Okay, we just passed Taco Mio. They are a restaurant. They are open year round. Okay, here's the intersection of Central and Main. And there's another gas station right here on the corner, and they are open year round. Okay, off we go. Almost all the stations look like they got the same price. Okay, there's a pharmacy right there on the right. They are open year round. Post office open year round. High Alley Showgrounds, looks like there's one vendor left. There's a little fudge place there too. On the left is a pizza joint. Good food, very expensive. Okay, we're crossing Tyson Wash here. Now these RV parks on the left is Holiday Palms, and it says open year round on their sign. Hassler's here on the right, I believe they're open year round. That's a good park. And just up here is 88 Shades. Let's see what their sign says. It says open year round. Cool. So if you want to stay here in the summer in the heat, you got more choices of RV parks. These little ones, I have no clue. Try calling the chamber. I'm sure they could help you. Let's see, B10. Close. Sign said see you this fall. Okay. Alright, coming up here on the left is the big market. That's a liquor store and hardware store. I think he's open year round. Here's the other dollar store. There's actually 2 dollar stores in Quartzsite. Amazing, huh? Okay, on the right there's a motel, real tiny one, few rooms. I'm sure they're open year round. Here on the right, check it out, where the yellow tank is. There's Birds Beans Coffee and Ken's Discount Groceries. Bird's Best Bean, they're gonna stay open all summer long. Enjoy their coffee. I highly recommend them. Definitely stop, give them some money, and keep them in business. And also my buddy Ken at Ken's Discount Groceries, grocery outlet. Go in and see Ken, he'll be open all year. Okay, on the right is another motel. It's a bunch of trailers they converted into rooms. I'm pretty sure they're open year round. Once again, call the chamber, 928-927-5200 to find out. Okay, these little shops in here, I have no clue. Maybe. Pilot on the left, there's a major truck stop. They're open, definitely open year round. Then Hardy's here on the right, Steve Hardy. I highly recommend Hardy's Beads. He employs people. He's a really decent person. Right next to it, there's the Chamber of Commerce. 928-927-5200. They have set hours. You can call them, email them. They'll mail you packages. If you want to be here in the summer, they'll tell you who's open. Okay, this blue building on the right, those are my buddies. David there, Custom Tire. They're open year round. Way in the back there on the left is Sandra D's. You can get a haircut back there at Sandra D's. Definitely stop and say hi to her and check her out. Okay, here's another mobile gas station on this corner and a Burger King. There's all the fast food. There's every grease pit you could think of there. A lot of the travelers hit here and the truckers. There's Carl's, whatever, across. Okay, let's go over to the other side. This is exit 17. We are crossing over Interstate 10 again. Now we're heading south. Look at the mountains, aren't they pretty? Against that blue sky. Gotta love the desert in the spring. Beautiful, beautiful place. Love Quartzsite. Alright, here's the other major truck stop. This is Love's. It's almost a travel center. They got tire repair. They got a little bit of everything in here. They got Subways. There's actually 2 Subways, one at each truck stop. And they also have a chicken place in here. You can get food, fuel, diesel, everything. It's a serious truck stop. Okay, I want to run out here and we'll show you one more thing. Actually, a couple. This is actually Dome Rock Road now. We're heading, we won't head all the way out. Keep going. Oh, also, you can camp here year-round on BLM land. If you want to be out there, I guarantee you no one else will be in the summer. When it's 120 in the shade, there's an RV dealer on the left. I think they got minimal hours during the summer, I think. Once again, call the chamber. They'll tell you 928-927-5200. Alrighty, now here's the other motel. So you got 3 motels in Quartzsite, and they're stated any of them, and good luck. I don't know what to tell you. Anyway, there's this one and the 2 over on Main Street. So there are motels here, and it's open year round. Busy place. It's always got trucks stopping here and whatnot. Always got people. Okay, there is your run around town of what's open that I know about. Now there's other restaurants. There was one up on Central Avenue that's open year round, and also on oh god, what's the name of that street? Moon Mountain. There's another restaurant up on Moon Mountain that's open year round. Best thing to do, once again, is call the Chamber of Commerce, 928-927-5200, and get the scoop on what's open all year in Quartzsite, in case you're wondering. Alright, this is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon.